Hello everyone, welcome back to MMT. My name is Nick, also known as Mine This One Titanium. Quick overview of what's going on in Qatar in terms of stocks and real estate. When you look at the stock market, it is down substantially. In the past couple of days, it has fallen about it has fallen about 10%. Okay, so but beyond the stock market, which is kind of irrelevant when you think about it in terms of the currency is far, far worse. As you can see, it's tied to the dollar and it's currently under the process of depegging. Okay, they need a certain amount of dollar reserves in order to maintain the peg. When it's being attacked by the global markets, you know, who's going to win? That's the question, right? Who's going to win? So they're having difficulties maintaining the peg right now, and as you know, worldwide, no one is accepting the Qatari Riyal, and that is a very big problem. And so let's talk about what causes hyperinflation in terms of MMT. Well, foreign denominated debt. Okay, they have a peg, so that means they require dollar reserves in order to maintain the peg, which they have for now. But it depends how large the attack will be, if they can sustain it. Lost faith in the currency due to government collapse or corruption. Civil war, also causes hyperinflation. A large collapse in the productive output of that economy. For now, from what I understand, the pipeline of natural gas going to the UAE is not touched. Everything is fine, but Qatar Airways will probably be grounded. And you're talking about billions of dollars of airplanes, brand new airplanes, 787, 350s, Airbus 380s, very expensive airplanes that are just going to sit on the ground. If they do fly, the fuel costs go up. Demand is certainly not going to be there because people are going to be afraid to fly in Qatar. So that's a collapse in the productive output. Remember, Qatar is only the size of Houston, maybe smaller than Houston. So it doesn't take much to collapse the economy. It's 2.3, 2.7 million people that live in Qatar, and most of them are expats. So if you start getting people panicky and they start leaving their jobs, such as pilots, flight attendants, and bankers, which are mostly expats, then even though if the problem is resolved tomorrow, the effects could be long lasting. Because if people don't want to come back to Qatar, then that's going to be a problem. So what else causes hyperinflation? We said civil war, foreign denominated debt, which has a peg. Corruption in the government, loss of effectiveness of the government, which, all of these things except for the war, they're applicable. Okay? So it's something that is developing. Obviously, it's not going to happen tomorrow, but if this does continue, it will be a problem for Qatar. Now we have Jordan, who is starting to sever ties with Qatar as well, and on the other side of the coin, you have Turkey that is going to send troops into Qatar. The problem is that the Americans have a base there, so I don't know how that's going to work out. Are they going to approve it, not approve it? What's going to happen there? We had a terrorist attack in Tehran today. People, suicide bomber. So things are really heating up in the Middle East, and as you know, I live in Dubai, so it's not good for me. I wish things were peaceful, but it is what it is. It's developing. I just wanted to give you the MMT perspective in terms of currency and the stocks. Again, if the currency goes, who cares what the stocks do, right? So that's it for now. If you have any questions, come to IMMT, and I will answer to the best of my knowledge any questions you may have. Thank you. Bye-bye.